Living a drug-free life is a safe thing. Living a drug-free life can be guaranteed a better and healthy life. It is freedom. With this, you can be able to succeed through anything you face. Living a drug-free life, anything that is impossible can become possible. From what I learned, many people are getting sick and also die from taking drugs. So we should start taking action. We should focus more on our future. Take action now or regret later.
We, the youth, are the dream and hope of our island. We must make good decisions about being a drug-free person so we can have a better future. The choices that we make as an individual will impact our lives not just for the day, but for the rest of our lives. So let's think twice and be smart on the decision we'll make in those days to come. Let's take a stand, be the change we want to see in the future.
Drugs are just a waste. It cannot help you reach your goal in life today. Using drugs cannot lead you to where or what you are doing for. You do not need to use drugs in order for you to enjoy life. I am still better than you because I am a drug-free person and I am still enjoying life without pain and sorrow. Being addicted to Facebook is much better than addicted to drugs.
Who are we? We are the future, the leaders, the ones that will change the bad habits of using drugs. So as I stand before you all, let us help each other to decrease the use of drugs this will going to be. Because what we do now will affect the future of tomorrow.
Youth living a drug-free life. To live a drug-free life, just don't take drugs. Everyone wants to be successful nowadays, but drugs are on their way. You want to be successful, just don't take drugs. It's not too late to quit. Let me just tell you that success doesn't come to you. You will get it.